Hi, I'm Maya Wilson. Today we're going to make seared Alaska halibut pasta with pistachio pesto and roasted tomatoes from my new book, The Alaska from Scratch Cookbook, which is available wherever books are sold. First thing I did was I roasted off some beautiful tomatoes in some olive oil, salt, and pepper. This is a pistachio pesto. I love to use pistachios in my pesto. I love Alaska halibut for this recipe, but you can also use any whitefish from Alaska waters. It's important to pat halibut dry so that you get a good sear on the fish. We're gonna get our halibut right into the hot pan with some avocado oil. Get a nice golden crust on the fish. You want to be very, very careful not to overcook it because it will dry out. You don't need to cook it too long on the other side at all. We have some pasta here that we've cooked al dente, and we've reserved some of the pasta water. Put your pesto in the pasta and then add some of that pasta water. And what that is going to do is loosen up the pesto so that it really nicely coats the noodles. Toss it together with tongs. Then we're going to take our seared halibut, put it right on top there, and sprinkle it with some gorgeous roasted tomatoes. Finally, we'll finish it with some Parmigiano Reggiano. And there you have it, seared Alaska halibut pasta with pistachio pesto and roasted tomatoes.